Hi, it's Diane at NatureWorks Garden Center, and I'm here today to talk about the lawn. It is the perfect time to rejuvenate, renovate, and overseed your lawn and have an organic, safe lawn for you, your family, and your pets. So let me show you how. On our website, we have a really great organic lawn care handout, and it talks about the different products that we sell, and I wrote some organic lawn care tips in here that are really helpful. So you can see this on our website and download it and print it at home. So what I want to do first, this area kind of died off this summer because it was so dry. So we're going to reseed this area. So this is a hand aerator. You could also use a pitchfork, but this is nice because you could step on it. You punch it in the soil, step on it, punch it in the soil, step on it. It's hard to push just with your hand because this is an area we walk on a lot, so it's pretty compacted. I don't need it to look like a golf course. I just don't want it to be muddy next spring. So after you do this, all in the area that you want to overseed, and we've done this side already, but I'm going to show you how on this side. I'm going to get my grass seed. We have a really good blend of grass seed here at NatureWorks. It's a blend of tall fescues, and it's really good for Connecticut gardens. So I'm going to show you how to overseed here. You just want to put a bit. You don't want to use too much, and you definitely don't want to sprinkle any in your garden beds, or you're going to be a little annoyed with yourself next year when you have to pull the grass out of the garden. So I don't even go that close to the garden bed because I'm worried it's going to seed in there. So you can just walk around an area that you want to overseed, spreading a thin layer of the grass seed. You can always touch it up again next year if you need more. But fall is really the best time to do this. So I think that's enough. Then I'm going to take some Coast of Maine Black Earth organic topsoil and spread some on the top of that. And it's beautiful soil. Look at, you want your topsoil to be black. That means it's nice and full of organic goodness. So I just kind of sprinkle it on the top. And if I was doing a big area, I'd have a wheelbarrow with me, and I could keep all my supplies in the wheelbarrow and wheel it around the yard. So I probably put about 1/8 of an inch on top of the grass seed, which is a decent amount. It just adds a little organic matter and will hold a little more moisture into the soil. Then I'm going to fertilize, because you need to fertilize when you plant grass seed. You need the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium when you're seeding. So our fall overseeding grass mix, our fertilizer has 3 numbers on the bag, and you need all 3 when you're seeding. Our late winterizer fertilizer and our early spring fertilizer do not have phosphorus in them because it's not needed at that time. It's just needed when you seed. And then the last step, you could leave it like this, but you'll just have to water it a bit more, is you add a thin layer of some shredded straw. So it's nice and easy to put on. It just kind of feathers on there. And what this does is it holds moisture on the seed, because you're going to have to keep this area wet until the seed germinates. The good thing about planting in the fall is that every morning everything is covered with dew. So that could be your first watering right there. So, all right, so now next spring, or actually this fall, we'll see this come up. We'll probably mow it next spring, and it's going to be beautiful, and so you don't get your feet muddy. And then we're going to walk around the rest of the NatureWorks gardens and do any little touch-ups. If there's a little thin bare spot, we can go ahead and do the same procedure there. So thank you very much for watching. Come on into NatureWorks. We are open Wednesday through Saturday from 10 to 5 and Sunday from 10 to 4, all the way through till December 23rd. I'm trying to wait for the cars to go by. So hope to see you soon at the garden center. Thank you.